Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Top 5 Best Drone on Aliexpress. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with K5 4K Mini RC Drone. It is provided with high-definition camera, though they claim 4K pixels, but in this price range, genuine 4K pixels can't be found. Though it does not have genuine 4 kilometers, but the camera is so good that they present better highlights and details. It has a front and a bottom camera, so you will be able to switch freely. It is about 21 centimeters in length, 14.5 centimeters in width when it's not folded, about 8 centimeters in length, and 6 centimeters in width when folded. In both situations, its height is 4 centimeters. That means it is very portable when folded. With its front light and overall beautiful design, it looks killer. This mini drone has smart hover feature that helps it stay stable at all times when flying indoors or outdoors. It provides an anti-shake shooting experience. You can watch the wonderful view that your drone is seeing from far away. That's how you can also keep an eye on the drone if there is something around the drone that can cause harm to the drone. This RC mini drone has front left and right three-way environmental perception ability. It has an infrared obstacle sensor which will help to avoid obstacles when encountering obstacles. You can draw the flight trajectory you want on the app, and the drone will immediately follow your drawing, fly along the trajectory, and provide you with the experience of intelligent flight. This mini drone has this 360-degree stun troll feature. It has a key to easily stage 360-degree aerial stunts rolling. Its stun troll lets you ignite the eyes around you. With a 3.7 volts 1800 mAh capacity module design, it lasts up to about 20 minutes, which is enough for you to enjoy flying. Up next, we have CONUSEA 06774K Mini Drone in our list. It is 23.5 centimeters by 22.5 centimeters in length and width when it is unfolded, and 12.7 centimeters by 8.2 centimeters in length and width when folded. In both situations, it is 6.6 centimeters in height. It is provided with a convenient and foldable body design. It is equipped with high-definition pixel resolution and excellent optical response and color reduction capabilities. It has greatly improved aerial photography orientation. Using Wi-Fi signal transmission design, while the drone is flying, the real-time picture taken by the drone can be viewed in real time. The picture is clear and it is more fun to drive. It has an intelligent follow flight feature. Having portable hover control, novice quick start intelligent follow. The camera will follow the camera wherever you go. Having a track flight feature, you can raw track and the drone will follow that. It is one of the best helping hands for the operators. Having this on this drone, you can draw the trajectory you want through your phone and can fly your drone according to the drawn trajectory. You can make it take off, land, or return easily with just one button. A number of one-button control are designed for especially novices. Professionals will also get the benefits of it. Having headless mode in this drone, there is no need to distinguish the real-time flight direction, and the flight is centered on the direction of the remote control, and the control is simpler. It provides you with a great stable flying experience. And some of the scenery requires stable flying, and it helps at that time the most. This drone has an upgraded battery design. It is a 3.7 volts 1800 mAh battery. It can provide you a flight time of about 15 minutes. The very next mini drone, we have XT2 4K Mini Drone. In the expanded state, the size of the drone is about 23.5 by 22.8 by 6.5 centimeters, and in the folded state the size is about 13 by 8.5 by 6.5 centimeters. The folded position made it very portable, and its portability is discussed in detail. It is provided with high-definition camera. Though they claim 4K pixels, but in this price range, genuine 4K pixels can't be found. Though it does not have a genuine 4 kilometers, but the camera is so good that they present better highlights and details. It has a front and a bottom camera. The operators will get the chance to freely switch the angle of aerial photography and experience the shock aerial photography effect, where creation is more casual. You will get 90-degree adjusting ability. It has a multi-directional intelligent obstacle avoidance feature in it. Obstacle avoidance is important for safety. It keeps the drone safe and ensures safe drive. This product has smart hovering, and its smart hovering effectively allows the aircraft to keep it steady during the flight. Its anti-shake function prevents blurry aerial photography too. With this drone, you can make gestures and easily take pictures. During the flight, aim at the drone camera, and the corresponding gestures are enough to take pictures or videos. It also has trajectory fingering. Trajectory fingering lets you paint as you want to fly. You can click the desired flight path on the app, and the drone will immediately follow the waypoint. It has one key lift and returning feature, and they can be achieved through the remote control. It lets you return to home without tedious manipulation. It has headless mode. Having headless mode in this drone, no need to distinguish between flying in headless mode. Direction. It is easier for novices to fly. This device has modular battery design, and it is easy to install and uninstall. With an 1,800 mAh battery capacity, it provides about 10 minutes long battery life, which is enough to have lots of fun and enjoyment. Furthermore, we have V15 mini drone in our list. It is 12.5 by 12.5 by 4 centimeters in size. It has high-definition dual camera system. You can switch between them and have an awesome experience. The front camera has 120-degree wide angle, though they claim a 6K pixels front camera. But it's not 6K pixels genuine camera. Although it is not true 6K, it will provide clear and delicate picture quality. Having smart hovering, this feature makes it possible to keep the drone in a stable place. It has indoor and outdoor stable hover. It is so easy that novices can control it easily too. You have to show gestures to the camera to take a photo or a video at your command. You can show your palm to take a photo and show your fist to take a video. This drone can do some one-key operations. Its one-key operation makes it simple to get started and enjoy one-key takeoff and landing. It helps you to make taking off and landing process easy. And it helps the most when confronted with unexpected situations. A single touch can enable multifunctional operation. With headless mode, there is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. And as we mentioned earlier, finding your way home is easy with the one-touch return feature. You can do track following. You can raw track on the app, and the drone will follow that track. It is very easy to do, and operating the drone with this feature is very easy. We can finish it up with SG906 Max 1 Pro 2 drone. SG906 Max 1 Pro 2 professional first-person view 4K camera drone with 3-axis gimbal 4 km brushless GPS quadcopter obstacle avoidance RC drone. It is about 28.3 cm in length and 25.3 centimeters in width, 8 centimeters in height when it is expanded, and it is 8.4 centimeters by 17.4 centimeters by 8 centimeters when folded. It has got one unique uncommon design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. The SG906 Max 1 drone is the perfect choice for those who want to record 4K HD footage of their home. Thanks to its high-end cameras, the drone is able to discern every detail and offer you an unobstructed view of any space. Additionally, the top-quality footage will leave your home looking more realistic than ever before. If you're a hobbyist filmmaker or creating professional videos, the SG906 Max 1 drone is the ideal device for you. The SG906 1 megavolt drone is the most advanced control system with one click to the present. Once you've mastered how to operate it, you'll be able to take your drone anywhere in no time. With this easy-to-use and user-friendly Mach 3 controller, you can fly your quadcopter wherever and at any moment without difficulty. SG906 Max 1 drone 5G with real-time HD transmission is the most effective way to get the most current in 4K videos, content, and images on your favorite social media channels. With the SG906 Max 1 you'll experience the clarity that is hard to beat. This micro quadcopter transmits real-time video using 5G while flying fast and easily. It's perfect for those who love first-person view racing, but would like to experience a more complete experience. The SG906 1-megavolt drone is the ideal choice to anyone who is seeking a top-quality beauty and filtering solution. With its high-end optical system and computer, it will create stunning videos and images easily. If you're looking the best you can or simply keep things easy, SG906 Max is the best choice. SG906 Max 1 drone is the perfect flying companion for those exploring the world. With its amazing flight time and range, this drone can be used to take in all-around sights and sounds. Whether you're exploring a new city or tracking down a lost pet, whether you need to transport yourself or an equipment, SG906 Max 1 will get the job done without fail. The SG906 Max 1 is a drone that features a 7.6-volt 3400 mAh lithium battery. This battery has been designed to meet the needs of drone enthusiasts and professionals and is perfect for use in high-graphics applications or when you need to fly longer distances. With this battery, you can fly your drone for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of energy. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.